Hello kids, welcome back to channel to learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, red color and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
C for cat.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
T for
Q, R,
dog.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
E for
Z.
elephant.
Now I know my
F for
ABCs.
fish.
Next time won't
G
you
for
sing
God.
with me?
H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's an I draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king.
A, B, C,
L
D,
for
E,
lion.
F, G, H, I, J,
M for
K,
moon.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
N for nose.
W, X, Y, and
O
Z.
for orange.
Now I know my ABCs. Next
P
time
for
won't
parrot.
you sing with me?
Q for queen. It's an I draw R.
A, B,
And
C,
use
D, E, F,
blue
G,
color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
R
R,
for
S, T, U, V,
S for
W,
sun.
X, Y, and Z. Now
T
I
for
know
teacher.
my ABCs.
U for
Next time
umbrella.
won't you sing with me?
V for van. W for wheel. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and first you draw 1.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
Six.
my ABCs. Next time won't you sing
Seven.
with me?
8.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
And
P,
10.
Q,
Thank you so
R,
much for
S,
watching.
T,
Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.